My name is Hiilite. I was born in Manitoba and moved to the Okanagan when I was 17 and have been here ever since, and love in Kelowna. It's really easy to get to know the community in Kelowna, I've found, and to continue to build relationships with new people at the same time. I started Fix My Touch because I had been managing cell phone stores for a Bell dealership for about 4 years. I wanted to just do something of my own. I always had people coming in asking where to get devices fixed, and eventually I thought, I think this is something that I can do because I already knew how all the devices were supposed to operate, so it's just really a matter of matching up the hardware with the functions of each device. The best way to protect your phone is with having a good tempered glass screen protector paired with a good case. Most people come in with broken phones having a little thin shell on their phone that has a cute design or something, but really does nothing to protect their phones. The worst phone incident we've ever had, I don't know if it's the worst, but it's definitely the most interesting. The ballistics department at UBCO has brought in a couple of iPads with what appears to be bullet holes in them.